In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Affirm for your business. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to sign up to use Affirm for businesses and how to explore all of the pros and cons of having Affirm attributed to your business. So, to find more information about this, just go over to the Affirm website at affirm.com and then using the navigation bar at the top, switch over to For Businesses. As you can see, they will list a lot of stats about Affirm for businesses. Grow your business with Affirm. Tell us about your business, choose a pricing plan, and add Affirm to checkout and process your first transaction. You can scroll down if you would like to learn more. They will list all of the platforms that currently work with Affirm, and you can know that they are trusted, and so on. You will be able to use them on various different platforms, and there are frequently asked questions at the bottom if you are still curious. Now, once you are ready to get started, go all the way up and click on this blue button. You will be redirected to the starting page. So you will have to include a lot of details about your business. First, you will have to include your business email, and of course, I'm going to include random information just so I can go ahead with the setup process, but you should take your time and carefully browse through all of this. So you can include all of the details here. You can include the annual revenue, average order value, and then you will be able to check this box to confirm that you have read and you agree with the terms and conditions set up by Affirm. Then, when you proceed, you will be able to enter a lot of details in full. This might take a while, and because this contains a lot of sensitive information, I won't be able to show you the full process, but as you can see, you will have to choose from one of their plans, so they have standard, enhanced, and premium. With premium, have access to more features and more benefits for you and your customers, but of course it is going to be more expensive, so keep that in mind. Choose whichever one you prefer. As you can see, you have to be aware of any prohibited items. Make sure that you go through all of this, and now you can start detailing your business. So include all of these details and you will be able to submit your application and see if you are approved. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Affirm for your business. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.